Yes, happy birthday to you, one Ogene AkaraUGO. It's Ogene Ogene. Igbo be Igbo. And we enter this video. Ojazzy visited Ogene AkaraUGO on his birthday, being today 9th of February 2024. Ebe aka ya fast go na ọja na-ekwu okwu amakwa na Ogene AkaraUGO ma akwụkwọ ọja. AkaraUGO my man, you are doing good. Na gazie no ntị kono fu. Nke a na-ekwu mgbe ọja na anakọ ọja. Watch it out now.
Nke a bụ 100 years ago.
Igbo. Hello. Ojazzy Igbo.
Gakale, you already years ago.
So it won't be Igbo. All my song be high. What I go? All that cover for me. So
I didn't be around. You got to go. I don't know what I got. I am scared of design. I don't know how to use it. I don't know what to do. I don't know where I'm going. You got to. So I do here. You got to. I'm going to do what? Can't you get all of that?
I believe it. Igbo. It's
nothing. It's nothing. I would have 1 million and then get 30 million. I never. It's nothing.
So, oh my son, all your go from Tata. The time plus one, also non idea. So, if I can be paying a job, why you allow come my yours and not watch me on. I'm a man, my son be a fat. I talk with you. Chocolate. Mamma can when you find you. And then we find him, I do. You would go on the name we find him and I would him a one dive. If I game, my body cable, it won't turn Aja. So, Ojazzy, I have a looking. Oh, my son, Cobo, my direct son, Cobo. So, my looking in the fan, it were in the well, whatever meet you on. And the amam lazy why magic on you go. My finger wable, the seek it. Oh, there. I were in Manda. Oh, what a chobank of a large one is. Each way my feminine, you get as a collar guy. If you go say, how people live in social media, a more Celia, in my boy. In a comment nonsense. Or if you answer, I call like you close. I wasn't given you in no 20. So, ịma na Igbo si na-ekwute okwu ọnwụ ụwa ọgba ngana ma ọfa na-agụ ọgụ ka ọ dịrị Igbo na mma ịghọtago ọbịazi Igbo ọ ga-abalụ gị nke na-emebe ife ọma asị m ya gazie taa ịgba okwu na obi m ọ ya adịrị gị na mma mana ọ ife m ga-agwa gị tata n'ụwa mụ Ogene AkaraUGO asị gị jisie ike elu zukwara ha obu taa ife ebe ị na-eje ọ ya adịkwa egwu mana fa gbasigo mgba anyị ejikwa ike ewetago